It's day 2 pretty much down here. Just pretty much getting ready. All just kind of chilling, having a slower day here at the Airbnb. What an awesome setup. Beautiful weather, beautiful scenery. Just stiffened up the suspension in the front. Gonna see if that makes a difference at all. And I think we're gonna hit the tail, but we're gonna go kind of check things out. There's like a Porsche and Miata weekend, so we're just gonna see kind of what's going on, what's going down. And yeah, it's super cool. Just adjusted the suspension on my car, and also check out the property here at the Airbnb. It is absolutely amazing. I was gonna bring my fly rod, take a few casts in here, catch some brook trout, because I already looked it up, and of course they are in here. But regardless, super excited. Can't wait to get into it. I've been really enjoying driving this car. I absolutely love the Mark 7 platform, and I'm already aware of some changes I want to make for next year when we come down here. But yeah, let's just get into it and see where the day brings us. We are back here at Deals Gap, the gas station. Over there's Killboy. We have not done any runs today. We cruised over here. It's literally everybody but Chris with the Infiniti Q60. He's back at home. But we have a new guy in our lineup over here, Fi. He has this beautiful, beautiful Porsche. So I threw the 360 cam on his car, so get some content. It's awesome. Car's awesome. So yeah, he'll have the camera on. A lot of motorcycles here today. A lot of motorcycles. But yeah, everyone, we just checked tire pressures, made sure everything's good. So we're gonna get ready to go out and do a couple passes. Super exciting. Jordan's gonna lead. And the camera will be on 5, so it should be a cool perspective. And also, just I told anybody here that wants to use the camera just to throw it on their car, get some content, I can email them the files and stuff. So yeah, super cool, super stoked. Let's get it. goes a Holden, not something you see every day. So I guess it's Porsche, Mazda, and Holden weekend down here. I was way behind him until the very end in the GTI. We're all just letting our stuff cool down. This is Fi's Porsche. I threw the 360 cam on there. Can't wait to see that footage.
Unless they get it from Canada.
Jorge's S2000 and Jordan's GS300. So yeah, definitely a good time down here. Today is the last day, and I'd imagine we're gonna wake up pretty early tomorrow and just bomb the whole like 12 hours home. So I'm gonna try to enjoy as much of today as possible. I'm gonna get this GoPro back on the charger, and I think we're also gonna go to check out the dam that's down here. There's more roads than just the tail of the dragon, so I think we're gonna try to, you know, take some photos and get into some other roads as well. Super stoked though, absolutely impressed with this car, especially after adjusting my suspension. Tightening the dampening basically to max really helped with my understeer in the corners. Yeah, it helped a lot. But I do think, well, I do know for a fact I'm gonna need wider wheels at some point, because these are basically just factory spec 18 by 7.5. Should have went like 18 by 9 or something like that, but we'll see. We'll check it out. Either way, no complaints. Super stoked to be here. Check out this GT350. Holy freaking Porsche world. What is going on here? I'm not mad at it. I genuinely wonder like how many millions of dollars are sitting around here. Literally there's nothing but GT3 RSs and GT3s, GT3 MR. It's absolutely insane. And actually, probably one of the highlights of this so far, driving through this parking lot with literally the coolest cars you could ever ask for. A guy came up to me and was like, yo, older gentleman, Porsche fella. Like, hey, what tune are you running? And it was just unexpected. And he was just saying how cool of cars these Mark 7s are. His son has one, same tune, but stage 1. So, it's kind of cool. Porsche, Audi, Volkswagen, you know? Wow, this is just absolutely crazy. I don't know if we're gonna find somewhere to park or find a table to eat. Literally nothing but GT3s and GT3 RSs and GT2s and GT2 RSs. Oh, it's crazy. Someday. Someday. We made it to the restaurant. Pretty sure this is a little slice of heaven up here. Get to the parking lot. Have to check it out.
The Heritage, and you get the number. You pick the number you want. Modern day.
Look at this, bro. GT3 RS, GT4 RS. Awesome.
That was a Chevy.
So many freaking cool cars around here. So inspiring, honestly. RS, BBS's. Very proper look. I mean, look at this place, guys. It's absolutely insane.
Hey. What's up, bro? Come back. I've been in traffic for 4 hours, that's why. I'm sorry, man. Like, I just have to do something.
That car sounds great. This GT3 RS, oh my gosh.
I will say the original off-roading trip was with that guy. Were you with us? Islands. Oh yeah.
GT3 MR. This car is insane. Detailing, like, what an awesome experience. Honestly, we just happened to be here during the Porsche weekend. Porsche, Mazda, and Holden weekend, I guess. But wow. What an awesome experience, honestly. It's just, I'm speechless. Absolutely speechless. I just gotta take as many photos and videos as I possibly can to appreciate this. Like, bruh, this thing's perfect. That is a perfect car. Like, wow, so thankful for this experience. I can't wait to make this an annual thing. It's just absolutely awesome. All right, let me film some more stuff on my phone and on the GoPro as well. What do you think?
It's a lot of Volkswagens.
A lot of Volkswagens. Just finished up dinner over here. Porsches are still out. Got about an hour drive back to the Airbnb. Fi is heading back down to Georgia. He's got like a 3-hour drive, so we're gonna cruise out of here together. I'm gonna try to record some night stuff. It's a little sketchy at night, so try to be safe. We're not taking the tail, but all the other roads out here are awesome. And perfect end cap to the last night here. And then gonna get some good sleep tonight, get a shower, get some good sleep, and wake up early and head back to Pennsylvania. Oh man, well guys, we officially, I don't know if you could see me, we officially made it back to the Airbnb. Whew! Day 2 and final day of Tail of the Dragon was an absolute success. I'm tired. I'm gonna offload all my SD cards again and charge everything up. I'm pretty sure tomorrow I'm just waking up and rolling. I'm gonna kind of probably see what everybody else is doing, but all in all, as tired as I am, what an amazing trip. Well, we're all just kind of showering up, chilling, and getting ready to head out tomorrow. I still don't know exactly what the plan is, but overall, Airbnb, 10 out of 10. Tail of the Dragon, 1,000,000 out of 10. The crew, 1,000,000 out of 10. Like I said, I only knew Gio prior to coming to this, so I met a bunch of new people. They're all super, super amazing guys, and it's just one of those things that, you know, it was unexpected. I didn't know what to expect in general, but I knew I really wasn't worried about it because Gio's a good guy, and I know like people he hangs out with are going to be cool as well. So once again, show you guys kind of the cars. 2017 Infiniti Q60. Super nice car. He did not come out today. This is Chris's car. He stayed back. He really wasn't a huge fan of the Tail of the Dragon just because, you know, aggressive driving and stuff like that. So I get it. But over here, my 2015 GTI did very, very good. I'm very proud of this car. Very thankful. Huge shout out to Tony for helping basically build the entire car. Tony, you're the man. Car did great. Fernando's RSX Type S. He's the original owner of this car, which is super cool. And I can't think of the name of this kit. Wings. Super cool OG early 2000s Fast and Furious, like quite literally Fast and Furious body kit. Super cool. Jorge Jr.'s 2025 Civic Type R. I have one of these over at the car lot in red, 2025 as well. Absolutely an amazing car. I followed him a couple of times and could not keep up with him at all. Not even close. Super impressive car, and he definitely knows how to drive it. And over here, Jordan's Lexus GS 300, 2JZ GTE swapped. Super cool car. Very cool. Big, heavy car. Keeps up with everything. Super cool. And then Gio's Unos Cosmo. I mean, tell me when and where you're going to see another one. First of all, rotary, twin turbo, SSR wheels. Very impressive car. Gio had a brake issue going on, and he actually ended up bumping into me and leaving me a nice little thing to remember from the tail of the dragon. And then over here we have Jorge Senior's 2000 Honda S2000. Let me tell you how much I love these cars. Probably my favorite car out of the lineup. Yeah, that's all I can really say about them. Absolutely beautiful car. I put everyone's Instagram on the screen when I show their car, so make sure to check them out. They're going to be posting some footage and some content too. But yeah, what a car. What a time. Yeah, what an experience. And thank you guys for watching. Tomorrow I head home. About a 12-hour drive home. So excited for that. Gotta figure out what the plan is. Gotta get showered and get to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching.